How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're just going to give you a different point of view here from underneath the vehicle. We do have a 2026 Honda Passport here. This is a trail sport, so it does have some things that the base model does not. But again, I wanted to use this one on purpose to kind of showcase the things that it does has, and want to once again show you from underneath the vehicle that oftentimes the consumer does not get to see. So we have these tow hooks right over here, or recovery points, whatever you want to call them. Additionally, we have the shield over here to protect everything, the oil pan, the transmission, and the radiator and stuff like that when going off-roading. We do additionally have a jack point right over here if you wanted to jack up the vehicle and not use the other points, as well as a recovery point as well. So multifunctional shield over here, brace, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, definitely something that's new to this generation. So something that Honda wanted to make sure if you do take it off-roading, everything underneath here would be protected. Now, Honda does sell a scuff plate that we can add over here as an accessory, but does not come with it right over here. So just to protect that lower part of the bumper. So moving along here, we have some aluminum lower control arms, cast knuckles. Nothing really new here. Typical design from Honda. We do have the new all 10-speed transmission versus the old 9-speed on the older one. So looks like this transfer case may be magnesium. Hopefully the issue does not carry over from the Acura side that we're seeing with transmission / transfer case, stripped gears, effectively making a vehicle two-wheel drive. So hopefully that doesn't happen on this car. But as we can see here, two totally different metals used. Moving along here, an abundance of mufflers / resonators here. Moving all the way to the back here. A couple more mufflers here on each side of each tailpipe. No spare tire here. We do have a standard tow hitch. And once again, we have another shield here or brace to protect the gas tank at this point. Again, if you go on off-roading, you want to make sure that is protected. The gas tanks are plastic, so they can tear or crack easily. So Honda definitely focused on that and make sure that nothing were to happen to you if you are out there off-roading. And last but not least, this car does not have the rock sliders, but they would go essentially right over here. Now, the rock sliders cannot be used in conjunction with the running board, so you would have to choose one or the other, but essentially they would go right over here. And those accessory rock sliders are made out of aluminum with 1.5 millimeter 304 stainless steel plates. So those would go right over here as an accessory on both sides of the vehicle. And that's basically it, guys. I just once again wanted to show you guys kind of a different point of view on these vehicles. And I did this for the Pilot. I'll continue to do this for every model that comes out going forward. But just something that typically the consumer does not get to see. So I think it's interesting for the consumer to be able to see what they are purchasing from a different point of view. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.